How to customize Shopify website step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Shopify website to create an online store. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can actually go to shopify.com, and on shopify.com you can create your own account. We get our online store to sell our products. Shopify is an amazing platform to create your online store, and you will be able to customize your website as well and have your own storefront. So that's what I will show you today as a complete beginner when you create an account on Shopify, how to customize your storefront or your Shopify website. So first of all, after the initial sign up or sign into your Shopify, this is where you can see this is my main admin here. We have all of the options here. We have home, we have products, customers, content, analytics, and more. So here we have our sales channel, and in our sales channel, we have an online store. So you have to select this option. When you select online store, now we have themes, blog post, pages, navigation, and preferences. So here as well, you can see we have our themes and theme library, and then I can also go to the pages. So here it will show you the current theme that you have. This is like our default theme, which is done. And what will happen is I will be able to customize it completely. So we get the customize option right here. But before you click on customize, you need to select any theme you want to. There are some free themes and of course some paid themes. So what we can do is we have this done here, which will look like this. And then we have this one, which is refresh. Then we have craft. Then we have sense and origin. Then there is a theme store that you can visit. So you have to click on add and it will be added right here. Once the theme is added, now we can click on customize. And it will take you to customize your theme. You can see it has nothing right now here, and I can of course add everything. This is how we start customizing our store. Now, in customizing, first of all, we have different sections to a website. We have theme settings, and then we have app embeds. Here it will show me the different pages and different sections we have. For instance, we have a home page where we have announcement bar and a header. This is the announcement bar, this is the header. Then we have an image banner, we had image text, we have buttons added, we have featured collection, then we have a footer. So this is like the basic template. So now we will add these sections. We have a header already, we have the banner image, and then what I'm going to do is at the bottom here, we can add, we have a footer, which is this right here, and then we have add another section. So after the image, I can click on add section, and here we will be able to select all of these sections. We have featured collection, we have featured product, collection list, we have rich text, image with text, image banner, collage, then we have more. So I'm going to click on show more. Here again, we will get a video option page. Let's say I wanted to add a video. So I will select the video option and it will be added right here on my store. Once it's added, now we can customize the text. First of all, I will select the header here, and in header we have a color scheme. So I can go with any of the color schemes from here, and then we have the logo. So for the logo, we can add an image too, and we can also create a drop-down menu here. We have a sticky header, mobile logo position, spacing for the bottom margin. We have top padding and bottom padding as well. So these are all the settings for the header that we are getting, so you will customize them here. Moving on, we will have our, this banner image, which is the image banner. So I'm going to click right here and select the image. This is where you will upload an image for your store. So I'm going to do that. We can upload from our library, or we will get different free images from Shopify. But of course, we'll just go to the library and upload the images here. So I have added this image as my image banner. You can see this is what it looks like because we deal in, women's clothing. Now we have a heading at the top. So of course I'm going to change the heading and I'll just add my, brand name here. Then we have the heading size. So it's going to be large instead of small or medium. So you can see this is what it looks like now. Then we have this tagline here, give customers detail. So that's not the tagline that we have. So I'm going to quickly add the tagline here. So this is our tagline that I have added here. So we have the buttons. In the buttons right here, you can see we have shop all. So I can of course change here, and then we can add the first button link is to all products. So this is actually pretty good that we have a button which says shop all, and then it will take us to the product page. So this is perfect. Now we're going to move on to the next section, which is going to be the featured collection. Now this is where you will enter your products. So for that, you will actually have to go to your products and select the different products you want to add to your featured collections. Moving on, we will have our video. So for the video, all you need to do is just select the video section here and enter a video. So I'm not going to add any heading to it because it's just like a video of our, fashion show we had like for our products. And then we can add the heading size. So we can go with like small, medium, or large. So I'm going to go with medium here. We can select an image. We can definitely select a cover image for the video. So that's what I'm going to do, and it will be added right here. So you can see now you will just upload all of the text and the images that you want to add. In the footer, of course, you can add some of your information. We have created different menus here. If you feel like something is missing, all you need to do is just add a section, and then we can add different blocks to a section as well. For instance, I have this section here. In this section, I can add a blog. So in block, what happens is, for instance, this is a section for the image, and then we have this block, which is the text. Then we have another block for the tagline, and then we had another block for the buttons. So this is how it works. I can go to the theme settings, and here I will be able to customize the colors, typography, layouts, and buttons. So here we have, you can see inputs, we have product cards, we have blog cards, we have media, drawers, badges. So if you want to change the font or the typography, the layout of your website as a whole for your theme, you will go to this. Then we have app embed. So this is where I can also add different apps that we have on Shopify to our store. At the top here, you'll be able to see we have a home page, and these are all of the pages for my store. We have a product page as well. Click on product and it will take you to your product page once you add products on your Shopify store. Similarly, we have other, pages. We have collection, we have pages, blog post, cart, and checkout. So if you feel like a page you don't want to add, then you can of course, delete that page from here. For that, we will just go back and I'll show you the pages. Once you have customized your website, you'll be able to get the previews. You can get a mobile preview or a desktop preview of your store that you're creating. Click on save and it will be customized, and you can customize it along the way as you feel like it. You can customize it every time you want to and create a very professional looking store. So for now, I'm just going to click on save changes, and all of the settings that we just did will be saved, and I will be able to now work on it and customize it more. Let's get back to our admin here. So within our admin, you can see when it comes to customizing our store, we also have pages. So I'm going to go to pages right here, and it will show me all the pages that we have on our website. So we have this page right here, which is the contact, and then we have the option to add another page. So click on add page. And this is how we add a new page to our website. Give your page a title. For instance, you want to add a sizing chart page or a contact us. So you will enter the title and then you will add the content here. We have visibility settings, and then we have a search engine listing preview. Similarly, we have navigation and preferences right here, but all of the customization for an online store on Shopify will be done under the online store here. Click on this view your online store and it will show you the preview of the store that you're creating. This is how we can customize our website on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.